What's going on, everybody? It's BE Pyrotechnics. And you know we had to get these suckers. The H.C.M.Fs, brand new for 2024. There's a lot of good demos out on them right now. I'm gonna wait till around the 4th to shoot these, but for now I'll just show you the box. I'll take out a sleeve for you so you can see them. But yeah, so let me take out a sleeve real quick and I'll show you them. Alright, this is what the box looks like. There we go. There's the front and the sides. There we go. Let's take out a sleeve. Alright, sit on here. Alright, 7-inch shells. Here they are. Look at those. Yeah, baby. Actually, let's get the other sleeve because that's the one with the open tube. There's a tube. So yeah, H.C.M.F shells. Super excited that I got these ones. Really cheap price for the case. Under 300 bucks. But yeah, these are the H.C.M.F shells. Tell me what you guys think in the comments, and I'll see you later.